So going into this project, I wasn't really sure how it was going to turn out. I knew what I was going to paint, which was Baby Yoda, but I didn't know how it was going to look as a whole finished piece. So the reason I thought of the idea of him as a burrito was because every time I looked at him, every time I looked at a meme or a picture, a regular picture of him, it always reminded me of a cozy little burrito in his clothing. So this is my version of Baby Yoda, all burritoed up. I had fun with this. Hope you guys enjoy the process. Leave a like if you want, subscribe if you want. I'm gonna be posting more painting videos, so yeah, enjoy. So I decided to change the background. So I like the stencil, but not really for this painting. It didn't go together in my eyes. Yeah, again, I wasn't sure how this one was gonna end up. I was kind of just throwing different techniques and slowly trying to figure out how this painting was gonna come out. So, I mean, let me know what you think. Later on in this video, you'll see me working on a frame. This is how I typically make my frames. It's nothing crazy, it's just a basic frame to put around your painting. So if you were ever wondering how to make a frame, I have it recorded near the end of this video. So again, watch to the end. I even put in the creation, the idea I put together on Procreate at the end of this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know what you think down below. I really appreciate any feedback. And yeah, enjoy.